Today we'll be replacing the Dogbone mount, or the pendulum mount, on my 2011 Sportwagen TDI. The hardware will come with a new washer. The other two have shouldered washers with locking. Be sure to verify your hardware. I would not recommend using power tools to take these out because all of this is aluminum, and you can damage aluminum with power tools if you're not careful. So be very careful with these bolts. Pendulum mount will just come right out. Just gotta get it in at the right angle.
Into the subframe is 74 plus 90. Into the transmission is 37 plus 90.
All right, and that's it.